the God particle in you is not only predominant in you, supreme in you, that only is even the source material for what you think as bad also. Good, bad, right, wrong, for everything. The God particle in you is the source material. If you understand this, you will stop wasting your source material and you will stop supplying your source material to wrong things. One of my brahmacharini, she was scribbling something about the past. I told her only one thing. All your opinion about past is wrong. Just drop the whole past. For what you are worrying is wrong. For what you are not worrying is wrong. About which you are concerned is wrong. About which you are not concerned is wrong. The whole past is a shit. Plan for the future. Look for the future. Build the future. That's it. If you try, you can be cunningly manipulating and justifying to yourself your life negative decisions are right or you are much better than your past. Understand? You thinking you are much better than your past is indirectly supplying material to all your negativity and delusion. Listen now. The God particle in you, Parama Shiva in you, not only is dominant, supreme, he is the source material for your life. If you think you are much better than your past, you will continue to supply material for your negativity to be alive. You will say, no, earlier I used to cry 20 hours a day, now I reduced it to 18 hours a day. I am much better. And people should not expect me to walk too much. If you keep from 20 to 18, it will not take more than 1 or 2 months to get back to 20 and even 22 hours. Because the 18, when it gets empowered, it's not going to keep quiet with 18 hours. It is going to expand it to 20, 22 and go on. Be very clear. Absolutely no tolerance to any delusion, any negativity. God particle is enough in its pure form for your existence. I tell you, even if you don't get Ganges water, don't drink drainage water. If you don't get Ganges water, travel towards it, die in that journey, nothing wrong than to drink the drainage water and survive. This is the will persistence with which I started my journey, and Paramashiva manifested himself in me. I will get Ganges water, drink and live. If not, in that journey, I will leave my body, but no question of drinking the drainage water in between for survival's sake. No. Do not supply energy to your negativity. Do not supply energy for your delusions. Do not supply energy for your lack of intensity, and don't justify your intensity. Don't justify your lack of intensity. Sorry, let me repeat. Don't justify your lack of intensity. Don't treat yourself cute. Don't bring justifications for your lack of intensity.